These body lotions will lighten, moisturize, and glow your fair skin. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my 5 best body cream for fair skin. So if you're interested, you should just keep on watching. These body lotions or cream will help to lighten and glow your fair skin. So all the body lotions or creams I'll be mentioning in this video are 100% tested and trusted. They will help to lighten your skin, moisturize your skin, nourish your skin, and give you that soft, supple, lighter skin tone. Okay, some of them are very suitable, fading dark spots on the skin, acne, and the rest, and helping to maintain your fair skin without any harsh or side effects. So let's jump right into it. The first body lotion on my list that will help to lighten, maintain, and glow your fair skin is the Silka Whitening body lotion. So this is one of the best body lotion for fair skin. It will help to give you that natural fair complexion. It contains natural ingredients like papaya, BHA, that will help to get rid of dead skin cells on your skin, and at the same time give you that lighter, fresh looking complexion. It makes your skin look younger and healthy. So one good thing I actually love about this particular body lotion is the fact that it moisturizes your skin very well, and it contains UV protection that helps to shield your skin away from the sun. So this body lotion is very good in lightening, moisturizing, maintaining, and glowing your fair skin. It's not a bleaching cream, so you need to be consistent with this particular body lotion in order to see results. It doesn't whiten the skin within 7 days as stated on the body. So if you're looking for something that will maintain your skin, lighten your skin, and give you that healthy natural glow, you should basically go for this particular body lotion. It gently lightens your skin, okay? It will not leave you with any side effects, like it's not going to give you that bleached skin tone or leave you with any side effects of bleaching. It's a nice body lotion with good anti-aging effects on the skin. It's sold at the price of 3,500 to 4,000 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. So moving on to the second body lotion on my list. The second body lotion on my list that will lighten and glow your fair skin is the QEI+ body lotion. This lotion is another good choice if you want to lighten your skin and maintain that healthy glowy skin. This QEI+ body lotion comes in different varieties, but the particular one I'll be recommending or I'll be talking about in this video is the QEI+ACTIVE HARMONIE with carrot extract. Like my sister have actually used this particular body lotion and it was really nice on her skin. Like, it lightens your skin very well. It moisturizes and nourishes your skin. It's suitable for both dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, and all skin types. It helps to remove any form of blemishes or hyperpigmentation on the skin. I love the fact that it contains carrot extract that helps to give you that extra shiny, radiant glow on the skin. It has a really nice fragrance. So if you're looking for the best body cream or lotion that will give you that fair, flawless, uniform skin tone, you should basically opt in for this particular body lotion. It's going to give you that uniform complexion, lighten your skin naturally. So if you're looking to purchase this particular body lotion, I advise you get it directly from the QEI+ website, or you can buy from a trusted mall or cosmetic shop to avoid getting the fake one. It's sold at the price of 7,000, 6,500 depending on where you're getting it from. So this particular body lotion on its own will not give you a whiter skin tone, but if you want to whiten your skin or get that whitening effect using this particular body lotion, you can premix it with the serum in order to get that whitening effect from this particular body lotion. So moving on, the third body lotion on my list that will help to lighten, glow, and maintain your fair skin is the Francoise Bedon body lotion. I don't know if that's the correct pronunciation. So if you're looking to get the best value for your money, Francoise Bedon body lotion with carrots is the best body lotion for you. It's a lightening body lotion that moisturizes, lightens, and glows your fair skin. This particular body lotion is made from plant extracts, carrot oil, that will help to moisturize your skin, repair your skin, and reduce the appearance of wrinkles, stretch marks on your skin. Okay, so this particular body lotion will help to fade away any form of discoloration or hyperpigmentation on your skin. It lightens the skin in a natural way, so it does not contain any form of harsh chemicals, hydroquinone, or steroids in it. It evens out your skin and gives you that smooth, spotless, healthy looking skin. It's very suitable for oily skin, combination skin type. If you have a dry skin and you want to use this particular body lotion, I advise you pair it with a moisturizing body oil to avoid or prevent it from drying out your skin. One thing I love about this particular body lotion is the fact that it lightens your skin without giving you any form of dark knuckles on the skin. So the only downside to this particular body lotion is the fact that it's very expensive. It goes at the price of 9,000 naira and above, depending on where you're getting it from. Aside that fact, this particular body lotion is actually worth it. Okay, so moving on, first body lotion I'll be talking to you guys about is the Fair and White body lotion. This is one of my best body lotion if you want to lighten and glow your fair skin with no side effects. This particular Fair and White body lotion mildly lightens your skin. It moisturizes and clarifies your skin, giving it that beautiful, radiant, healthy glow. It doesn't whiten the skin. It's a good body lotion that will help to brighten your skin and lighten your skin with consistent use. It nourishes the skin very well. It contains powerful ingredients that can help to fight hyperpigmentation and lighten dark spots on the skin. It's really a nice body lotion to buy. So if you're looking for a body lotion or cream that will help to maintain, lighten, and glow your fair skin, you should basically opt in for this Fair and White body lotion. It will lighten your skin very well. It's sold at the price of 5,000 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. So if you want to use this particular body lotion to lighten your skin, you can premix it with Fair and White serum. It will give you that whiter, glowing skin. So moving on, the fifth best body lotion that will help to glow your fair skin is the X7 Gold body lotion. So if you cannot afford to get the first, the second, the third, the fourth body lotion that I've mentioned, you can simply opt in for this particular X7 Gold body lotion. It's very affordable and effective. It's sold at the price of 2,480 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. It comes in different varieties, but the particular one I'll be talking about, that I'll be recommending in this video, that will lighten and glow your fair skin, is the X7 Gold lotion. I've actually recommended this particular body lotion for some clients and they came back with good reviews on it, so that is why I added it to my list. So this particular X7 Gold body lotion is a lightening lotion that will help to lighten your skin and glow your fair skin tone. It's formulated with natural ingredients that will help to tackle your acne spots and get rid of wrinkles or any aging signs on the skin. It leaves your skin feeling very soft and well moisturized after use. It's very suitable for all skin types. So even if you have oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, normal skin, you can simply use this body lotion. Okay, it moisturizes the skin very well and it gives you that healthy, radiant, glowy effect on the skin. It's more of a glowing body lotion that will lighten your skin a little bit. It doesn't contain any harsh chemical or hydroquinone in it. It's to lighten your skin with consistent use. So moving on to the bonus body lotion on my list. So the bonus body lotion on my list that will help to maintain and glow your fair skin is the Nivea Extra Smooth and Fair Body Lotion. So if you're fair in complexion and you don't want anything that will lighten your skin or tone your skin in any way, you just want something that will moisturize your skin, nourish your skin, brighten your fair skin, this particular Nivea body lotion is for you. It's going to help maintain and glow your fair skin. It's a supercharged body lotion. It contains unique fruit extracts with 10 times vitamin C. It will help to moisturize your skin, smoothen your skin, give you that bright, fair looking complexion. Okay, it does not whiten the skin, but it will help to maintain your fair skin and give you that healthy glow due to the vitamin C content in it. It will help to firm your skin, get rid of any aging signs or wrinkles on your skin. It's a really nice body lotion to use on fair skin tone. It's sold at the price of 2,500 naira depending on where you're getting it from. So all the body lotions I've mentioned in this video will help to lighten, maintain and glow your fair skin tone. They do not contain any form of hydroquinone or steroids. Okay, so they are 100% safe lightening body lotions that you can use on your skin without any side effects. They will lighten your skin in a healthy way and give it that glowy, healthy looking effect. Okay, so all these body lotions, they are 100% tested and trusted. So if you want to get the best results while using any of your lightening or whitening body lotion, all you have to do is to pair them with a sunscreen in order to get the best results. Okay, so I have a video on some best sunscreens that you can use for all skin types, so I will link the video up here for you guys to go watch. So we have basically come to the end of this video. If this video was helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.